Now for this rosemary orange cake,
let's start with our dry ingredients. Here I've taken 100 grams of flour, which I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, adding half a teaspoon of baking powder. Let's first mix this dry ingredients. So our dry ingredients are ready. Let's keep it aside. Okay, here I've taken 100 grams of castor sugar, now this is my blender, to which I'm going to add a teaspoon of it's just half teaspoon of rosemary to it. I'm going to blend this and then come back. Now here I had grinded my rosemary along with sugar. Okay, so here our sugar is ready, flour is ready. So I've got 2 eggs, and now here I have my butter. Here I've taken 100 grams of it. Let us start with butter. Mix this until soft. This is a room temperature butter. So that's it. Now here I'm going to add sugar. Here I've got rosemary sugar here. So I'm just going to add this little by little. So I'm adding sugar in 3 or 4 portions. Now you can see our sugar is pretty much mixed. Now adding more sugar. Now adding the last portion of sugar that I have. Right. So here I have 1 egg. I'm adding 1 egg to it. Mixing this. So adding the next egg. Now adding orange zest to this. Again, back to our mixing. We have added our orange zest to this. So we have mixed it. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients. Here my dry ingredients contain salt and baking powder. Here I have taken 100 grams of all-purpose flour, to which I added half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So adding our dry ingredients. Mixing it. Adding we have mixed it. Now adding orange juice for extra flavor. I have just taken 1 tablespoon of orange juice. The last portion of flour that we have. Mixing it.
That's it. Our batter is ready. Don't over mix it. Now we are going to transfer it to the mold.
Two molds, 2 ceramic molds. So I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degree. Now my oven is being preheated at 180 degree. It's already preheated and ready. Now this will go into the oven and I'm going to bake this for say 30 to 35 minutes. So let's come back once it is baked.
Here our cake is baked and ready. It is out of the oven. Now let's take it out of the pan and let it cool. So let the cakes cool, then we'll slice it. Cake is completely back to room temperature. I have sliced the cake. Isn't it beautiful? Now look here. I have taken a slice of cake. Look at the softness. Now look at this soft, moist texture of this cake. I hope you all can see that. It's just mouth-watering, isn't it? Now look at the specks of orange and rosemary in it. It has a unique flavor and I hope you love it too. Thank you. Happy baking.